Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the awesome Facegym training sticks. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know that I absolutely love these. But since I have this channel, I wanted to go a little bit more into depth why I love them so much. So if you're not familiar, these are by the brand Facegym. Facegym is a workout studio for your face, not a facial spa as they claim. But essentially what they're doing is they are kneading and using movement and cutting edge technology to tone, tighten, firm, and brighten your skin. And they also say it's like a non-invasive facelift, and it's kind of amazing what they do over there. So I picked these up this summer. Like I said, you put them on before your workout, and they have motion activated technology, which activates during your workout and penetrates deeper into skin, giving you an amazing facial while you're working out your body. So it's actually really ingenious what they're doing. So with these two guys, I have the Brazilian Pink Clay Training Stick, which has salicylic acid, which is really great for acne prone skin and reducing redness. And then we also have the Spirulina Training Stick with pineapple enzymes, which is really great for hydrating and toning the skin and making it all even. So I will use these in combination together. Like this one I'd put around here where I'm a little bit more acne prone, and this one I'll use on my forehead where I'm a bit drier and need that hydration. And I really, really love them. They go on clear, which is really nice. So as you're working out, it just kind of looks like you're a little bit more sweaty than you usually would be, but there's no color, so you don't look like a freakazoid or anything weird. Did I just say freakazoid? So the application for the training sticks is super easy. They go on really, really smooth. They just kind of glide onto your face. It kind of maybe feels like you have like sunscreen on, a little bit thicker than your average moisturizer, and they really have no scent, so they're really easy to wear and pleasant to wear, and they don't move around on your face. As I've said previously, I am a sweater. I sweat a lot, so I'm a little hesitant about putting it on my forehead, but I have put it on my forehead and I've been completely fine. But yeah, I absolutely love these guys. They're so fun to work out with, and they're so easy to incorporate into my gym routine, and I go to the gym daily, or at least try to. So I definitely keep these in my gym bag. So with that said, I'm going to the gym, and I would love for you guys to join me. Let's go. Hey guys, so I've been in class for about 30 minutes. This is a midway checkpoint. I've been sweating, as you can see. I'm definitely a sweater, but the product hasn't gotten into my eyes whatsoever. If I do feel like I'm dripping a bit, I just kind of blot. But aside from that, I can feel my skin tingling, but nothing too intense. It's really nice, kind of refreshing even. And as you can see, the mask is completely clear. Hey guys, so that is a 60-minute workout done. I'm going to wash my face and take a shower, and I will be back. Hey guys, so that is my workout and my Facegym training stick face mask workout. It's all done. I feel like my skin is a bit more even and it feels really good. But like with any skincare product, you're gonna wanna use quite a few times before you see, dramatic results. But I love these sticks, they're awesome. I do keep them in my gym bag and use them a couple times a week because I absolutely love the thought of, my skin working out and taking care of my skin while my body's working out. Well, all right guys, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please send them my way and I will gladly answer them for you.